How to build patience and tolerance in a relationship. Building patience and endurance in relationships is essential for maintaining strong and healthy connections with others. Developing these skills requires effort and intentionally, but the results are worth it. Here are some tips on how to build patience and endurance in relationships. Practice empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. Practicing empathy can help us build patience and endurance in relationships by allowing us to see things from the perspective of others. Try to put yourself in the shoes of your partner, friend, or family member, and consider their feelings and needs. Communicate effectively. Effective communication is essential for building patience and endurance in relationships. Be clear and direct when expressing your thoughts and feelings, and listen actively when others are speaking. Avoid making assumptions or jumping to conclusions, and seek clarification when needed. Set boundaries. Setting boundaries is an important part of building patience and endurance in relationships. Be clear about your needs and expectations, and communicate them to others. Respect the boundaries of others and be willing to compromise when necessary. Practice forgiveness. Forgiveness is an important part of building patience and endurance in relationships. Holding on to grudges or resentments can damage relationships and make it difficult to move forward. Practice forgiveness by letting go of past hurts and focusing on the present. Practice self-care. Practicing self-care is essential for building patience and endurance in relationships. Take care of your physical and emotional needs, and make time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation. This can help you manage stress and maintain a positive outlook in your relationships. Practice active listening. Active listening is an important skill for building patience and endurance in relationships. When communicating with others, give them your full attention and try to understand their perspective. Paraphrase what they have said to ensure that you have understood them correctly. Seek support. Seeking support from others can help us build patience and endurance in relationships. Look for trusted friends, family members, or professionals who can provide guidance and support as you navigate challenges in your relationships. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude can help us maintain a positive outlook and build patience in relationships. Take time each day to reflect on what you are grateful for in your relationships, no matter how small. This can help you maintain a positive perspective and build resilience in the face of challenges. In conclusion, building patience and endurance in relationships is an important part of maintaining strong and healthy connections with others. By practicing empathy, communicating effectively, setting boundaries, practicing forgiveness, practicing self-care, practicing active listening, seeking support, and practicing gratitude, we can build patience and endurance in our relationships. Remember that building these skills is a continuous process that requires effort and intentionally, but the results are worth it. By developing these skills, we can navigate challenges in our relationships with greater ease and build deeper and more meaningful connections with others. Building patience and endurance in relationships is essential for maintaining healthy and fulfilling connections with others. Whether it's with a romantic partner, family member, or friend, developing the ability to be patient and resilient can help you navigate challenges and strengthen your relationships. In this article, we'll explore some practical tips on how to build patience and endurance in relationships. Practice empathy. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person. Practicing empathy can help you